Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video let us do a quick unboxing review of the Qudelix 5K DAC cam. So here you can see on the screen, here some of the features are mentioned. We have two outputs, then here we have some buttons that can be used to pair or turn on the Qudelix 5K, and it has a 500 mAh battery, USB DAC of 96 kHz and 24-bit support. Now unboxing the box back to the top, we have the Qudelix 5K. Now this is a very portable DAC cam. Inside the DAC cam you get the USB-C to A and USB-C to C cables, and here's the DAC cam, which is quite portable and it's very lightweight too. It can easily fit in your pockets or on your clip. So you can see to the left and right we have some buttons that are used for pairing and turning on the Qudelix 5K. To the bottom you have the USB type C, and this is the clip, so you can just clip it in your shirt or anywhere and it will fit perfectly. So you can directly use the USB type C with your smartphone or even with your desktop computer, and it will work pretty cool. Now pressing the button for a few seconds, you can see we get this flashing light, which means the Qudelix 5K is in pairing mode. Now let us pair the Qudelix 5K, and here you can see it has been connected to my smartphone, and it supports HD audio, LDAC and other codecs, which is quite cool. Qudelix 5K has a Qualcomm QCC5124 Qualcomm chip, which is amazing for ultra low consumption power audio. So here you can see we have an app for Qudelix 5K. You can download it and you can install, and when you install you can see I got a firmware upgrade. Now I'm upgrading my firmware and it will get installed pretty quickly, so it's pretty good to see that you're getting regular firmware upgrades from the Qudelix for this device. So here I'm trying to play an EDM song with a lot of beats and good bass, so I'm playing this with my CCA-C12 IEM connected to my Qudelix, and this sound is just amazing via Bluetooth. It's just blown me away with the sound quality. I've also tried this with BGP DM7 and other few IAMs, and easily it can drive other big IAMs too. So here you can see here's the app that shows the device and other information. So here you have battery information, you have some of the power information of what is the power you want, that you can set it accordingly, and here some miscellaneous that you can check in or check out according to your own wish. You can just read it through and you'll get all the same. So you have about section which shows the version, etc. Then if you come to input option, you can see it shows the state of streaming, the Sony LDAC codec and the sample rate which has been playing it, and it shows other some stuff. So here we have the supported codecs, and you can see there are a lot of codecs. You can uncheck and check them according to your own wish. So you can see here in USB it shows at what kind of sample rates you can play your music. So with this setting you can tinker the microphone and you can easily see whenever you want to increase the volume or you can increase sensitivity, etc. Now coming to the volume section, you can see we have a volume button which we press, and you can see we have two options such as volume and other is standard. Two-way RMS, which is the power output, so you can adjust the volume accordingly to our own wish from the app itself, and also we can adjust the power output and see whatever we want if you're using a headphone, etc. And here we have some other options that you can tinker with, such as absolute volume and volume protection for your ears, etc. So here we have the mode. You can see that in the mode it says the profile, the output, RMS, output voltage, etc. And here we have the filters. We have a lot of filters such as linear, phase, out, etc. And you can check all these and you can try all these things and they work pretty well. And here we have the equalizer. We have a lot of preset settings, and also we have a lot of customizable settings that you can tinker with and make your own equalizer settings. So that's pretty cool. So the Qudelix 5K app is one of the best DAC cam apps that we have ever seen. This has a lot of customization that you can do from your smartphone itself. So if you're a person who likes to tinker a lot with equalizer and likes to tinker a lot of bass, treble and other kind of sound settings, this app will be amazing for you. Overall, this device is a really cool device for $115. If you're looking for a portable Bluetooth DAC cam, this will be a first recommendation for you. Also, you can see here we have the warranty statement, etc. that you can check out, and here we have the device settings that you can see. So everything from warranty to pairing mode to every part of the DAC cam can be controlled via this app, and you can also reset it. You can see the changelog of the device firmware version. We have got a lot of new upgrades, and also in the future you will be getting few. So this is a quite cool and really interesting kind of device that one should definitely check out. If you're interested in purchasing device, the link to same will be in the description where you can go and buy it. Thanks a lot for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please click the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. We upload really cool reviews on gadgets. We upload vlogs, food videos, lifestyle and etc. Also check out our website, which is www.thetrendyblog.net, in which we review a lot of consumer electronic products such as vacuums, keyboard, mouse, headphones, etc. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our blog. Thanks a lot for watching guys. This is Sai Harikrishnan signing off, and I'll catch you guys soon in my next video.